Hey? Oh. Oh, God. Some people are so grossed up by this.
So we've got food expert Nikole here joining us. Thanks so much for being here.
Welcome officially back to the vlog. I'm just with Miss Chloe, who's very tired right now. We didn't have time to get her coffee yet, so she's like, what's going on? But we are actually heading to a sort of coffee shop. We're going for brunch, but it's an exciting brunch because we are, I was gonna say surprising, but she knows now. We are going for brunch for a fellow HealthNut subscriber's birthday, and originally it was going to be a surprise, but then her sister's like, I feel like she might want to know ahead of time, like if she's going to be like seeing you and being on camera and all that stuff. So we're seeing Paige, that's her name, and her sister Nikki, I like her name. She actually reached out, this must have been like a month ago or something, and she had sent me kind of like a random email, actually not a random email, it was like very well articulated, and she really wanted to surprise her sister, and I just think it was her like message and why she wanted to do it was really sweet. And like, and I don't want you guys to think like all of a sudden now I do like birthday requests, because like that would be crazy, and I feel like I just wouldn't be able to, I'd feel bad. I wouldn't be able to like hang out with every one of you on your birthdays, but I thought this would be such a fun opportunity. It just seemed like a good time, and I just wanted to do it, and I thought I would vlog it and share it with you guys, and just, I don't know, I love meeting you guys in person, and if I can bring some positivity and just like happiness to Paige's day and new birthday year, then I'm really happy to do so. So we're meeting up with Paige, and we're gonna go for a little brunch actually at this new spot. It's called Elephant and Coffee Grind. I've never been to it, but it looked kind of cute on Instagram, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna meet up. I got her a little bag of goodies. Can I read? So I got a HealthNut water bottle, I got some avocado socks, I got some stashers. Oh, I got, what else did I got? A gemstone bracelet, our avocado huggers, and as well as some pop sockets. I got one for her and Nikki as well. And just a little something to say happy birthday, because I love birthdays. I love like gift giving too. So hopefully she likes this. I wasn't sure what her favorite color is, but I hope she likes avocados and pink. I mean, like, I feel like if she follows me, she loves avocados. But that's what I have as a little extra gift, and I'm just excited to meet her. And I was gonna say surprise her, but like I said, she knows. But we'll pretend it's a surprise when we see her. And it's very, very hot today. Oh my God, I gotta roll back down the window. Also, we have a really exciting secret, you'll find out by the end of this vlog, launch. It's happening this afternoon. So it's gonna be a good vlog, and I'm really excited to, yeah, go for brunch. I love brunch, it's my favorite meal of the day. So see you guys in a little bit, because we gotta get Chloe coffee ASAP. I don't have a zoom lens yet, so we're just gonna do this now. So we're just about there, just put on some lipstick. By the way, you guys are always asking, every time I wear this coral color, you guys are asking me what it is. So I'm gonna link it, it's by RMS. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to check out, but I love it. It's like the perfect summer color, and it's an all natural lipstick, and it lasts like really, really long. So have that, and I'm pretty hungry. So I had like only half of my green smoothie, and then I put in the fridge, so I'll have when I get back as a little afternoon treat. I don't usually do that, but yeah, I just was like getting ready. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna eat breakfast, so I'll just like have the smoothie later. And Matt actually made the smoothie this morning. Otherwise, I wouldn't have even made one, but I had to drink it because he made it, and you know, he's doing quite well with the smoothie making lately. But yeah, we'll see you at the restaurant soon. I think she's already there. She just messaged me, so we're like 2 minutes away.
All right, got the gift, and we just parked. And we're gonna go say hi to Paige. Let's see, I'm nervous. Looks really good. I should have got that. See, I always want everyone else's meals.
I'm eating nothing, apparently. Just tea with lipstick on it. Thank you. Okay, that looks really good too. These plates, so cute.
A few days later, it's my actual birthday, and I was reading the card, and she's talking about like a lunch date, and my sister and I always go for sister dates. And so I thought like she was referring to what had already happened, and it was just like in the past. I'm like, wait, what? Like, because my friend doesn't really love avocado or anything, so I was a bit confused for a minute, and I'm like, wait, is this like health? So I know you always just like have a sweet tooth, and I do too. So I made a couple, all healthy except for I made chocolate chip cookies too. Like, chocolate chip cookies are a staple, and I put them in my mouth and swallow them.
Oh my god. Okay, should I just open it now? Okay. Okay, you got me a chocolate chip cookies. Okay. It's not my birthday, guys. You did not have to get me anything. See, this is what you have to do to win a brunch birthday party with me, is bring me cookies. Oh my god, yeah, this is like professionally done. You can have your like peanut butter stuffed dates with chocolate and sea salt. Oh my god, are you seeing this?
Those are vegan Oreo cookies.
Okay, what's this one?
Chocolate zucchini bread.
I was gonna guess zucchini bread. Oh my god, like double chocolate.
Those are just chocolate chip cookies, and there's nothing healthy to say about them.
Okay, I feel like we gotta eat one of these now. Oh my god, another.
And that's banana bread. Low sugar banana bread with peanut butter.
Oh, you spelled my name right. Always makes me very happy. All right, just got home and I'm gonna wake up Cashew. I'm just getting a treat from her cookie jar. This is the longest she's ever been like in her crate for during the day. She's been there for 3 hours, so she ain't gonna be too happy. Oh, hi, Missy. Hi. Oh, did you have a nap? Yeah. Wait. Okay. There you go. Oh, such a good girl. Come here. Oh, you miss mommy? Yes, you miss mommy? Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Hey, you miss mommy? She's like, I gotta go pee. Hey? Oh, some people are so grossed out by this. Oh my god, she's crazy. Oh man. She liked the screen. Oh my god, she's nuts. Okay, we're gonna go pee. We're gonna go pee. Yeah. All right, Cashew is eating her lunch and she went for a walk. And I just wanted to have a little treat that Paige made. I can't get over the fact that she made this all. Like, this is so sweet and I'm just like feeling very grateful and special right now. This is so awesome. Like, I'm gonna have one of these chocolate chip cookies because I feel like I'm in the mood. It's Friday and I need some sugar and chocolate in my life. Oh my god, this is so cute. Matt is gonna die when he sees these. Cashew's just like mowing down in the background. Look at this cookie. Ready? I really know it's gonna be good. Is there white chocolate in here too? Oh my god, it's white and milk chocolate. Mmm. This is so good. I need a moment. Oh my god. I don't know if I can share these with Matt. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this. Catch up on some work. Right? Yeah. He did so good. She's trying to go for the cookies. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I like this car mount. Hey, Cashew. Hey, Cashew. Ready to go get Daddy? So, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We're going to pick up Mr. Matt from the GO train. And then we are live streaming tonight. So I don't know if I've officially said it on here, but we just launched our second online shop inspired by Miss Cashionator back there. And it's something we've been working on for months. Sometimes I feel like it seems like things pop up out of nowhere, but we've been working on this new online shop for so long. Matt has been working so hard at contacting like wholesalers that we wanted to sell their products from. Like, just there's so much back-end stuff that has to go on when working on a shop. So we have done all the meaty work, and now is the fun part. Now it's the time to launch it. So we've so it's live right now. When you guys are watching this, it would have been already live for a couple weeks, but I thought I would share just kind of like the behind the scenes launch process, since you guys seem to like that kind of stuff, and it's fun to share. Like, it's something we're really passionate about, and it's a lot of hard work. So we really appreciate your support, and we will take you guys on the vlog as well, behind the scenes of what the HealthNut pup shop looks like and all the cool things we have. Hopefully they're still available by the time this vlog goes live, because we have limited supplies of everything, because we want to like see which things sold more first before we just like ordered too much of everything. So yeah, really excited. It's also very hot right now. I should probably put the AC on, keep little Cashew chilled. And yeah, so I don't really know what I'm gonna be saying on the live stream yet. I haven't really like prepared anything, but we asked you guys for any questions on Instagram, so I guess we're just gonna let it go with the flow and see where it goes. Oh, hello.
Hey.
I know I got the car set.
Oh, Cashew baby.
Cashew!
Yo, she is like leaning back.
Is it? It's probably me.
What's up, girl?
So I'm vlogging today. We had a really special day. I had a birthday brunch with a viewer today, which was really cool. Her name is Paige, and now ooh, it's blurry. And yeah, we had a birthday brunch for a HealthNut viewer, and then now we're celebrating the launch of the HealthNut pup shop, which is so exciting. So if you guys want to be on the vlog, wave now. Where's Cashew? Okay, we'll bring her in a little bit later. Okay, because she's going to be part of the live stream too. So, hi. Okay, so we're going to actually switch things over. So the 35 people that are watching right now, we would love it so much if you guys helped support the new HealthNut pup shop Instagram and website and headed over to that. It's at HealthNut_pup.
Yeah.
So come follow us there, and we're gonna show you guys like behind the scenes of the warehouse, some Cashew. I know you guys love Cashew, and we would love it if you guys joined us. Hi, Kimmy. Hi, Gary. Oh, people are joining. Oh, I thought you were drinking a beer.
No.
I was like, it is Friday before a long weekend.
It was a long day. I should drink a beer. But
I know. Maybe after.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Natalie. Hi, Erica. Hi, Rebecca. Thank you so much. I would love to know if you guys have dogs out there, whether they're puppies, adult dogs. Leave us a puppy emoji, paw print, or something puppy related, a bone, whatever you want if you have a dog. I'm curious. We just launched this exciting news.
Yeah, the HealthNut pup shop.
How do you feel?
I feel good. It's been a lot of work for me on the back end, getting all the, like, sourcing all the products, reaching out to brands that have a nice aesthetic, that also usually we're trying to like find brands that were more eco-friendly, that use recycled items in their like in their products,
like the stuffing or the outside products made with recycled
I'd say
material.
like almost all the products that we have are made from, a lot of the collars or leashes are made from hemp, which is pretty renewable. A lot of the plush toys have like recycled stuffing, so it was just like important to us to use, like, to find companies that kind of aligned with our values in that aspect where we, you know, we're very eco-friendly.
We wanted to basically find items that we were looking for, and like
Yeah.
we spent so much time like sourcing things for like Cashew when we first got her, and we just thought like we need to put this all in one shop together, because I know we're not alone when we're looking for like good quality, sustainable, like even when it comes to dog food and treats, like there's a lot of crap that's in some of the dog treats, like, and if I like, the healthier your dog is, the less vet bills, hopefully. I mean, so you never know. It's just like people, you try to eat healthy. But like, I just knew that I wanted to be feeding Cashew ingredient or like treats and food that had like the best ingredients, but that was still like you could still source it. It wasn't like I have to go out to like one special store and get it. And like the cool thing is like our shop just has like a variety of items that you can really find for whatever dog, like whether you're like, you're a camper, you do a lot of road trips, you go to the cottage a lot. Like the HealthNut Pup shop is for like the healthy, active lifestyle puppy and pet owner that is looking for those kind of things. Just live streaming with Cashew right now. You want another treat, Cashew? She never gets this many treats in a row. Well, not this big.
It's keeping her calm.
Yes. Pick it. I love when she crunches on them. So cute. Live stream is done. Cashew, you killed it.
You're a star.
You killed it. You're a star.
Cashew.
And she got a ton of little doggy treats, right? So if you guys want to check out the new online pup store, I'll have a link down below. It's just healthnutpup.com. And check out all the amazing stuff we have. That's like a sneak peek. We have so many cool treats. Anything ranging from like turmeric latte to bone broth treats. We honestly have like so many cool things, and the goal is to have like sustainable,
pop sockets,
healthy, huge thing of pop sockets, or no, paw sockets. Paw sockets on the couch. We haven't really shown you guys down here yet, but we're still setting it up. We have like a table and a couch, and oh, it's actually good lighting here. So that is today's vlog. Question of the day today: do you guys have a dog? Comment down below and put hashtag HealthNutPup if you have a dog. I would love to know. And what's his or her name, and what's his or her favorite thing to do. So what does your dog like to do? Probably eat, play, and poop. I don't know. But I'm just so excited. I know you guys are gonna love the shop, and we are just, I can't believe we have 2 shops. What is life? And we post 3 videos a week. What? Guys, subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We post here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So new vlogs every single Friday of just behind the scenes of our life. And by the way, I'm totally wearing like the avocado socks. That's not a flattering angle of my calves. Don't put that in close. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like these vlogs and want to see more, I will have a full playlist linked down below for you guys to follow along, catch up if you're new here and this is the first one you're watching. Thank you so much. Have an amazing weekend, and we will see you guys in our next vlog. Bye! So I ended the vlog, but I just thought I would show you guys what we're up to. It's Friday night, long weekend. We're watching Altered Carbon. It was a recommendation by one of our team members, our video editor, one of our video editors, Connor. So thanks for the recommendation. We're gonna watch it. Apparently it's like very sci-fi-y, and he warned me it has Game of Thrones level of nudity. So I said I would tell Matt to cover his eyes. You know, just to protect you. But we ordered some sushi. I got my Perrier because I'm all about sparkling water. And the funny thing is like, you know, you order too much sushi when they give you 4 chopsticks for 2 people. Hey, Matt?
That's
like,
never a good sign.
I know. I'm like, ooh, we ordered too much. And we're like, let's order. I told Matt, I'm like, let's do something fun and just like order a roll that we've never tried before. So we have a mystery roll. And I'm excited, I'm hungry. We're gonna watch this new series and I'll let you guys know how it is, but officially, good night, goodbye. Matt.
Good night. Sorry, Cashew's
I know, she's heading.
Creeping.
We just cleaned out her ears and
she
was not liking it. Yeah, I know. We give her a lot of treats.
Not a fan.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.